Alright, we're going to see a train meet. Train you see in the station right now is train 657, which runs as a deadhead from Port Jeff to Stony Brook, then takes passengers from Stony Brook to Huntington. This train gets to the station here at 7:01, waits for train 664, which will be coming in on the main track. 657 is waiting here on the siding here at platform A, and 664 will be coming in on the main track here at platform B. During the off-peak times when there are train meets, usually the Port Jeff bound trains use platform A, which is the siding track, while westbound trains will use the main track here, which is platform B. The 518 is also retrofitted with a brand new E-bell, which is the only locomotive to have the E-bell installed. And 664 now making its stop here in Smithtown. Train 657 leaves on the other side. 664 is now on the move with the new E-bell sounding. Train 664. Next stop will be St. James.